The other day I was on Reddit and somebody asked why their machines that were being fed by a Mark V belt that's supposed to be able to do 780 parts per minute were not receiving enough parts to stay completely loaded and running. So the best way I can show this is to just record a video and do an experiment. So here I have a Mark III conveyor, or Mark III miner, feeding an awesome sink with one single continuous run of conveyor belt the entire way. So Mark V conveyor belt is putting out and passing 778 parts per minute and nothing is backing up. So the reason the machines are backing up has to do with the number of conveyor pulls. So I'm going to stop this miner. And I'm going to delete this first section of conveyor belt that's one long continuous run, and I'm going to connect to my little test bench setup here, which is 20 pulls, and by the time it's done I think it's 22 individual pieces of conveyor belt where the conveyor connects across the pole. We'll run the same test again, same 778 parts per minute, because you can't round up to exactly 780. And we're going to send all of these parts to the awesome sink. So we know it was working a minute ago with one single conveyor belt. Now we're backing up. It's not. The only thing that changed is the length of belt and the number of sections. We're not running over conveyor belts here. So this is why when you have, say, one miner trying to feed multiple smelters, and you're using more than one section of conveyor belt, it doesn't seem to work, and your machines start losing parts. You can see here that the number is bouncing up and down, but slowly climbing. And that has to do with the number of conveyor belts, the number of different sections of conveyor belt.